Greetings, team. Today we're going to deal with my F-150 here. Specifically, the darn tailgate step. So, this keeps happening. Happened a while ago, about a year after we got it. What this is a step. And if you clicked on this, you probably have one of these. I gotta clean that out, don't I? Jeez. These things notoriously break because they're just held in with little plastic studs that bust out. So I tried gluing it, as you can kind of see. Didn't work too well. Popped right back out after a couple of months of use. The reason this happens, things get caught on this lip and just yank the thing out. One option, you can just keep replacing this. This whole thing pops out. I'm not replacing this every year. My theory here is because there's this nice big chunk of metal, there is a lip here, and I'm gonna drill through the bottom part where this, underneath this bend. The reason for that is that bend piece makes contact with this. We're gonna go ahead and drill 2 holes here and here. I'm going to not do the bottom. There isn't really a good spot for it because that's where this latch is. And there's no really good metal spots to do it. So we're not gonna mess with that. So if you look in the pillar, there is some metal to grip into if I really wanted to do that. But you can only do it away from this latch. All the pins are still in there for this side and the bottom. So I'm not gonna bother with that. Gonna go ahead and drill 2 spots right around. Don't wanna interfere with the hinge. So I think we're gonna go ahead and go right here. Whew, forgive the angle. It's hard to hold a camera and do this, but anything for you guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, I am using the wrong, this is not sheet metal screws, this is a lath screw, and it's a nice flat head here, so obviously I picked the drill bit based off of the screw. Whew, doing this by hand. Uh-oh. And I think I need a bigger drill bit. All right, and after a little bit of struggling, we got those through. So what I ended up doing was get a bigger drill bit, of course, and I actually used a sacrificial one and went in and out a few times until it was, I sort of self-tapped the hole. Then I pulled that old one out, threw it over there, because one of them, I torqued too hard and the head came off, so you want to make sure that you don't do that, because it's kind of a pain. Doesn't look too bad. I kind of lined them up with that there, so that won't look terrible. But now, you probably could, looking at this, you probably could leave it, because I want to say your foot's probably not going to hit it. Let's get right under there. Your foot's, no, it's like kind of at an angle. So yeah, you really wouldn't hit it. But it is cutting it kind of close. So we're just going to go ahead and, since we have it, lop them off. There we are. There's one. And there's 2. Oh, that was what I was looking for. Well, not really, because now I don't know where that went. There. That's the best way to do it. There we go. I mean, I could also round them off, but these are also now fully removable. Hey, there it is. Didn't need the magnet after all. Probably just leave it, but I'd like to paint it. I know I'm never going to paint it, but I can at least put a little black marks on it. Don't know how long this will last, but worst case, I can always come back and actually paint it black. I believe the main reason why this thing pops off is because how I open it is you typically grab it from like right here. You can see it bulging even more right at that spot. So, I mean, I could pop another one in, but she's holding pretty good. The best way to help that from not happening, I believe, is to, one, when you move stuff, try not to rub on this. And 2, when you open it, grab it by the metal here and pull it all the way down, though that kind of falls kind of not so gracefully. Overall, nice system. I do like it. Makes getting in and out of here much more comfortable for getting my massive load out of here. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Till next time, I am the ill-informed human. Goodbye.